Have you ever picked up an object and injured your back, shoulders, or legs? Have you ever experienced discomfort from sitting or standing for long periods of time? Material handling and lifting are some of the most common causes of injuries among drivers and workers. They are also the most painful and costly. Hi, I'm Todd Carrier with Protective Insurance Company. In this edition of Safety Solutions, we'll teach you proper lifting techniques to help you avoid these injuries. Before we begin, it's important to understand material handling exposures. Most lifting injuries are cumulative, meaning they happen over time over many lifts, usually not from a single event. For example, consistently carrying too many objects at a time or handling materials that are awkward in size or shape. Or maybe reaching too high, too low, or out too far away from your body, which increases pressure and strain on your joints and muscles. Poor posture, physical fitness, and bad habits can also contribute to these injuries. Let's take some time to concentrate on proper, safe lifting techniques to minimize these exposures. First, size up the load before lifting. Test the weight by moving a corner of the object and decide whether you can handle it alone or if you need assistance. Be sure to never exceed the maximum lifting limits established by your company. Check your path to make sure it's clear and you can see where you're going. During the lift, place your feet shoulder width apart with one foot slightly in front of the other. Bend at your knees, not your waist, to get your legs ready to support the load. This is the single most important part of lifting, and performing this move wrong can seriously injure your lower back. Next, grip the object firmly with the palms of your hands around the corners. Straighten your legs to lift straight up in a slow and smooth motion. Let your leg muscles do the work, not your back muscles. While carrying the load, keep it close to your body and don't arch your back. You run the risk of pinching a nerve or straining a muscle if you arch your back. Do not twist or reach with the load. When you're ready to set the object down, bend your knees again, not your waist, as you lower the load. If a load is too heavy for you to lift on your own, split up the load, ask for help, or use mechanical lifting and carrying equipment such as a hand truck, cart, or dolly. Pallet jacks and forklifts are always preferred. However, you should never use equipment that you are not properly trained and authorized to operate. So let's recap. Size up the load before lifting. Make sure your walking path is clear. Bend at your knees, not your waist. Carry the load close to your body and keep your back straight. Don't be afraid to ask for help or use proper equipment to assist you. And finally, be aware of your posture when standing or sitting and try to conduct pre-shift warm-up exercises to prepare for your day. For more safety solutions and risk management resources, visit our website at protectiveinsurance.com and click on Loss Prevention. And remember, there's always time for safety.